Hello TV enthusiasts. Are you struggling with that pesky lag and wondering how to fix delay on Insignia TV? If your TV is slowing down your viewing fun, you've come to the right place. Delays can be frustrating, whether you're streaming your favorite show or gaming, but fear not, we're here to help. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix delays on your Insignia TV, ensuring you get back to enjoying seamless entertainment in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First up, let's tackle a common culprit: internet connectivity. A stable internet connection is vital for streaming, and any hiccups can lead to delays. Start by running an internet speed test to ensure you're getting the necessary bandwidth. If the speed is lower than expected, try resetting your router. Unplug it, wait for about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Additionally, ensure your TV is within a decent range of your Wi-Fi router, or consider a wired Ethernet connection for more consistent signal strength. Step 2. Adjust the TV settings. Next, dive into your Insignia TV's settings. Poorly optimized settings can contribute to delays. Begin by navigating to the TV's menu and look for options related to picture settings or display mode. Selecting game mode can significantly reduce input lag, especially useful for gamers. Also, make sure your TV's firmware is up to date. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Go to the settings sections, look for System or About, and select Check for Updates. Step 3. Optimize HDMI and device settings. Let's turn our attention to HDMI connections. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected and of high quality, as faulty cables can slow down data transmission. Use HDMI ports that are compatible with high definition, typically labeled as 4K or HDCP 2.2 on the TV. For connected devices such as game consoles or streaming boxes, adjust the display settings to ensure they match the capabilities of your TV. Setting consoles to automatic and video output settings can ensure optimal compatibility with your Insignia TV. Step 4. Reduce background processes and clear cache. Overloaded processing can be a hidden cause of your delays. On your Insignia TV, go to Settings and check for apps running in the background. Exit any that are unnecessary. Some smart TVs allow you to clear cache, which can free up resources and boost performance. If this option is available, navigate to Applications in the Settings menu and clear the cache for individual apps or the system cache as a whole. This helps in maintaining smooth operation of the apps and the TV itself. Step 5. Test with different sources. If the delay persists, test your Insignia TV with different input sources to pinpoint the issue. Switch between cable TV, streaming apps, gaming consoles, or any devices you commonly use. If the delay is present across all sources, it might be an internal TV issue requiring professional help. If it only occurs with a specific source, the problem likely lies with that device or its connection. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix delay on Insignia TV. By following these steps, checking internet connectivity, optimizing settings, ensuring proper HDMI setup, reducing background tasks, and testing different sources, you can dramatically improve your TV's performance. Remember, these fixes not only enhance your viewing experience, but also protect your devices from potential long-term damage. Always prioritize regular maintenance by keeping firmware updated and routinely checking connections. Enjoy a smooth, lag-free Insignia TV experience and get back to binge watching, gaming, or whatever entertainment you love. Happy viewing.